So we've done that now this morning. We're onto this wall here now. We've got the fixed brick clamp on there, and then what we've got this side. So I'm just trying to keep an eye on my gauge because we are building onto an old wall and we've got one course of bricks below ground that's old and it was out of level a bit. So rather than go gauge on there, I'm just putting one course down and then putting the level on it and then changing it whether I need to, like that, Brad?
Yeah.
Whether I need to or not. So what we're doing, I can't pull a line on there now because you just pull a corner off. So little tip, we've got the fixed brick up there, and then we've got this tarmac spike just hit into the ground, and then you know you can just put that on there then, and then once you're ready to go, there we are, ready to go. You're not putting any corner blocks on it because it's freshly laid. Just pull the corner off or anything like that. There's no profiles on it, it's not big enough for profiles. So I thought I'd show you that top tip. So we're going to start up here again now, and we're just running through from there. So yeah, we're a little bit low down that end, but by the time we get to the top, the way I'm doing it, we'll be bang on level again. We're using it out as a wheelbarrow, because if we put it on spot boards, it's only a small area, so I'm managing to do it like that. But if we put it on spot boards, we've got wooden boards and it's all going off on the boards pretty quick, Brad, isn't it? So we thought we'd keep it in metal if anyone's thinking. Probably be good for us to get some metal spot boards or some plastic spot boards, wouldn't it?
Cheapskates, see?
Well, me or you?
Both of us.
What's your ankle?
It's alright.
Yeah?
Just getting by.
Want sympathy, he does.
I don't want his sympathy. You won't get it off him anyway.
Have you had sympathy off me, Brad?
Nah.
You little liar. I have said to you, how's your ankle periodically through the day?
That's not sympathy.
It is.
Sympathy's go sit in the van all day.
Well, you've been sat on the blocks by there, you little perch you've made yourself.
Yeah, just about. You watch me struggle make our perch.
Right, so just running these through now. Same old thing. Keep it to your bond. Like a well-oiled machine, Brad, isn't it? Of course, I'm doing all the work, yeah?
Does it all.
Have you noticed, Brad?
Always. I'm always holding the camera and you just do all the work.
Exactly. You said it, mate. You said it.
Should we go home? Just leave it here?
Yeah. What time is it? Normally around about 3 o'clock. I do get that, don't I, Brad?
Yeah.
It's time to go home yet, just. It's like 12:30, Brad. Commitment for your workers, that's what you want, isn't it?
Anytime after dinner, I'm ready to go home.
That's because you've eaten about 40 quid worth of food for your dinner, isn't it?
Yeah.
So just carry on now. Let's get these in then. Just want to get these in now and just see, once we come to the end, what kind of level we've got. Because like I say, we are running down a little bit. So you've got to be able to adjust and get that discrepancy out in your work. And you've also got to be able to identify it. So, let's have a little look, shall we? Let's get the wrong level on him. Right, come over here then, Brad. So, as you can see now, bubbles don't lie. See us ever so slightly, so if I lift that up now, so it's still, we've got 3 courses left now to bring this end up ever so slightly in the bed. to be able to get it level. So when we get to that 3 courses, if we've got enough bricks left, we'll show you that and come back to that. So see you soon. So we've progressed on this now throughout the day. We've got the wall built. We have to put another foundation in here on this bit. So Brad sorted that out. So we've got it. So if you can have a look now, Brad, we managed, as I was saying to you on the previous bit, we were trying to bump this side up to try and get it level. So we've got it level now. How have we managed to do that, Brad?
Don't know.
I don't know, something went wrong, didn't it?
Must have.
So anyway, we've got it level. So the customer's happy, client's happy. We've got it going up now. Get some more bricks tomorrow. So back to the start. Very, very important. If you're going to be doing bricklaying, if you get your mix wrong, then obviously the bricklaying is going to be made very, very difficult. But if you get your mix right, then I think the brickwork is made a hell of a lot easier by having the right consistency of your mix and the quantities and everything. So top tip of the day, get your mix right if you're going to be laying bricks. Anything you need, any advice, leave them in the comments below. And honestly, if you want to contact me through the website. It's brickright.co.uk. There's contact details on there with the email and the telephone numbers and stuff. So if you need any advice, then just reach out and I'd be happy to help. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and see you on the next one. Cheers.